In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend unopened emails automatically in MailerLite. This is a great way to ensure your message reaches as many subscribers as possible, even if they didn't open it the first time. Let's dive right in. First, head over to MailerLite's official website, where you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. This is a quick and convenient way to access your account, so go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next, navigate to the campaign section in your dashboard. This is where all the action happens. You'll want to look for the Create Campaign button. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with several campaign options. Here, select the Auto Resend Campaign option. This feature is specifically designed to help you reach subscribers who didn't open your email the first time. Now it's time to name your campaign. Choose a name that clearly represents its goal or content, so you can easily identify it later. After setting up your campaign name, move on to the subject lines. You'll need two different subject lines, Subject A and Subject B. The idea here is to experiment with different headings to see which one has a better open rate for the resend. Enter the text for both subjects carefully, as this is your first impression to your subscribers. Now, let's choose our recipients. Click on Recipients and then select All Active Subscribers. This ensures that the email reaches everyone who is subscribed and currently active. Once you've made your selection, hit Select to confirm. With the recipients all set, proceed by clicking on Next Content. Here's where the creative part kicks in. You can choose from various templates. Try selecting deals and offers as an example, but feel free to pick any template that aligns with your brand or message. At this point, you have the option to edit the chosen template. Don't hesitate to tweak it as needed to perfectly fit your campaign's needs. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on Done Editing. Now, let's configure the conditions under which the second email will be sent. Look for the section that says, Send the second email to those who, and choose Didn't Open. This will ensure your follow-up email is sent only to those subscribers who didn't open the initial one. As we near completion, click on Next Review. It's always a good idea to take a moment to double check everything, ensuring all your selections, subjects, and content are as intended. Finally, when you're happy with all settings, click on Send. And just like that, you've set up an automatic resend of unopened emails. This powerful feature can significantly enhance your email marketing strategy and boost engagement. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your campaign.